When you're on this screen here where it asks you propane or natural gas, and you go to click propane, it gives you this message here. And that message basically tells you that you haven't converted it correctly. So first off, you're gonna check your orifice, right? There's a little baggie inside of the unit that tells you how to put in the orifice and make sure the figure eight is all set correctly as well. Most people mess that up. Once you have your orifice installed, this is where people get tripped up. So you'll click OK, and there's a dip switch right there. Boom. So they like to do the dip switch on the H2 Air kit. So that's a separate board for basically an accessory for that unit. But the dip switch that the manual is telling you about is what right here. So you're just gonna flip that dip switch number 1 to the on position, right? And now that you have it to the on position, which is basically just away from you. So if you're looking at this, the dip switch should be away from you. You just click OK, and this time it lets you go through. So it's gonna double check here for your orifice. So it says, hey, gas conversion kit required. Has the gas orifice been changed, right? So at that point, you obviously make sure you did that, and if you did, you click OK. And now it's gonna let you go through. So these are other questions regarding the setup wizard. If you guys want to see videos on that, let me know. But yeah, that's the gist of it. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's just a quick dip switch. Who knew? You did it. That's why you're watching this video.